An opportunity to acquire this modern mid-terrace house situated in a very convenient location just off Ross Road. There is a tandem parking space for 2 vehicles, a small open-plan front garden, and an enclosed rear garden. The accommodation includes a hallway, neatly fitted kitchen with built-in oven and hob, living room with sliding doors to the rear garden, and 2 bedrooms plus a shower room. Windows and doors are fitted with double glazed sealed units, and heating is provided to radiators from a modern combination boiler.